How to fix the issue of HDMI doesn't work in laptop or PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards Start menu and go to the search box. Simply type Device Manager and open the application. Shortly when the tab of Device Manager opens on your Windows screen, simply head toward Display Adapter. Double-click on it and go to its property. Then after in the property prompt at the top you will see the option of driver. Simply click on it and click on Update Driver. After that you will see the option to search for driver. Simply click on it and carry out the update process. Now the second option is to go to Start menu again and search for Services. Shortly the Services tab will open on your Windows screen. Here from all the process you simply need to search for Windows Update. Once you do, double click on it, choose the option of Property, and there you need to make some certain changes. In Startup type choose the option of Automatic, and in Service Status simply click on Start and click on Apply. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.